In this video, you will learn how to use the Quality Manager to build scripts to assess agent performance and provide feedback to your agents through GoContact. The first step is to build a script to use in your assessments. To do this, we go to the Quality Manager icon on the left-hand menu bar and select the Script Builder. You will notice from the previous video on script building that the interface looks the same. You can search for existing scripts, edit the scripts, duplicate the scripts, delete the scripts, preview the script, or push the script to live. You can also create a new script by clicking on New Script in the top right corner of your page. Once you do this, a pop-up will appear where you'll give your script a name. You'll be able to view the type of script. This is quality in this case. You can select the campaigns, inbound queues, ticket queues, and databases you're going to link this quality script to. And then you need to select a default page. Once you've configured your script, click on Create, and you're now ready to add content to your script. At the top of the left-hand section, you can choose the page number you want to work with. You can edit the page, duplicate the page, delete the page, or add a new page here. This script builder should look very familiar. It's similar to the other script builder. The main difference being is that once you add a response element, when you click Edit, you will have the option to associate a point value with that element that will be used to determine the score your agent receives on the audit. So in this example, if your agent chose bubbles, we could give them 5 points. If they chose sugar, we could give them 1 point, and we'll click Save. The point values you assign to the response element will set the score range using the max and minimum score for your agents. For instance, if we look at this previously built script, we can assign a point value to each of these elements. We can rate the agent's presentation. If it was excellent, we can give them a points value of 5 or higher. If it was passing, we can set the point value for passing, and if it was not passing, we can give them a points value for that as well. Once we've established our points value for each of the options, we click Save. You can also assign points to whether or not they read the disclosure. Click on the element, go to Points, and then you can enter the points associated with each of the answers. These scores will contribute to the final audit score of the agent. Once you've created your script, you can use it for audits in the Quality Managers tab. So if you navigate to the left-hand menu bar under Quality, you'll find Manager. Click on that. In the Quality Manager, you'll be able to search for calls by channel, outbound, inbound, ticket, and then also suggestions. You can also filter on additional criteria. By audits, whether a call has been audited, they have an audit pending, they have a complete audit, or the call has not been audited. Depending on the channel you select above, you'll have the option to choose from the available campaigns or queues. You can sort by available outcomes, databases, agents, the auditor. You can search for calls in a specific date range, and also by client lead or client phone number. Once you click on Search, the left side of the platform will populate with the calls meeting your search criteria. You'll be able to view the note, which is the score of the audit, the call ID, the client name, the client number, the agent being assessed, the duration or length of call, the date of the call, the auditor who started the audit, the auditor who finished the audit, and whether or not that audit is complete, pending, or if it is blank, has not been audited. If you click on the client or phone number, this will take you to the script you need to complete or perform the audit. For example, if I click on this particular call, it takes us to the script that we have built for this audit. I can view the state of the audit, if it was completed or not, the date the audit was completed, the score the agent received on the audit, the first auditor and the last auditor. On the right, you'll also have access to the call recording as well as the client history. If you scroll down further, you'll have access to the agent info. You can see the agent name and their phone number here. To audit this call, you can scroll up to the top, click on Edit, and you can fill out the script as you listen to the call. Once you've completed the audit, click Complete. If you are unable to complete the audit because you need further information, you can set the audit status as pending. At the top of the screen, under Contact Information, that will give you access to all of the contact information similar to what is available in the CRM. You have the contact overview, you have all of the information that's being pulled in from the database, and if you scroll down, you're going to have access to the contact history. You can listen to previous recordings, view callbacks and schedule callbacks, view other quality assessments, view the scripts, associated with the call. If there have been any ticket or web chats linked to this contact, you'll be able to see those here as well. Once you have all of the information you need to complete your audit, go back to script and click on complete. And once your audit is complete, your agent will be able to view the audit and communication feedback regarding the audit through the agent quality interface. If you click on the audit, you will be able to see all of the communications regarding this audit from your agent.